Alright. One's in. So I found it easier to always remove the black one first, then the white one, then install the reverse order, which is installing the white one and then the black one last. And I like to kind of install this a little bit, not all the way in, and then line up the heater core line. So maybe if I can do it with one hand. So you kind of put it there. It's not all the way in, but it gives you enough space to move it back and line up the heater core one. I have to do it back if I can. Okay. And we clear it. And then, shoot. This is gonna be tricky. Okay, there we go. See? So now we push in, and we're able to push in with this one. And we're good. We're in there. All right, now we're done. No more leaks. These are the heater hose connector part numbers. Have fun. Have a blessed day, guys.